My name is Anamumita Hinaya. I graduated from college and studied management.
Why do you want to work here?
I always your company work and I think this role fits my skill well.
What are your strengths?
I'm responsible, detail oriented and quick to learn more things.
That's good. Do you have any work experience?
I used to work as an administrative staff in this cafe.
Can you work from morning to evening?
Yes, I'm flexible.
Great. I'll contact you in a few days.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.